Hindi, ano sabi mo? Halika dito, halika, halika. Sabihin mo, ano, kausapin mo si Lolay. Ah, Bili, ito na. What Lolay say to you? Look at me. What Lolay say to you? You wait? Why? Why you wait? What say? Dirty hand? Ano nga sabi ni Lolay? Sabi mo, Mommy, Lolay joke me. Bakit? Ano sabi ni Lolay? Babalik siya? Ha? Hey. Akiyo. Kiyo. Nagtitrip. I will turn off the TV. Look at me. Talk to me. What Lolay did.
Push it harder. Push it properly.
Magaling na driver, di na babangga.
Oh, thanks.
Mabangga na. Back. Go back, go back. You go back. O baka malaglag ka. Anak, pag hindi ka nag-diet, tapos di ka na makakalakad, ganyan na lang sasakyan mo. Kaya kailangan mag-diet ka na. Kailangan mo na mag-diet. Magda-diet ka ba?
Mommy.
Oo, di ba? Tayo.
Mama, you like this?
Ayoko.
I like this, okay?
Ayoko sumakay. I don't like it. Anak, nakaligtas nga ako sa buhay ko ngayon.
I made the
Tapos sasakay
horse.
mo ma ako.
I made the horse.
Ayoko. Ano gagawin mo kung kabayo?
What?
I don't want. Ganyan? Saan mo napanood yan?
And the snake.
Ayoko nga.
It's okay, it's okay.
You can play by yourself.
No,
I don't like it. I'm tired.
no people.
Oo, wala eh. Ano sabi ni Lolay sa'yo? I will come back, di ba? Oh. I don't like it.
I promise.
O sige, si Zoe, isakay mo dyan.
Bye.
I mean, are you ready to go down to the beach?
Zoe.
Come on, the sun's risen in the bathroom. Let's go. I want to start relaxing.
I don't know.
Mom.
Doon na sa taas. Zoe. I know. Zoe is hiding.
Mom. You get
Nasaan na? Zoe. Umutot ka? Ha?
Go, go.
Baho ah. Huwag mong ganyan na masisira. Say goodbye. Zoe, come here. Zoe. 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 Yan ah. Got you. I'll go. Siya daw yung horse.
That's right. No, can't you play the same game?